Hey, ladies and gentlemen. So we're here with an IXL talk through. Today we're going to be looking at identifying and classifying polygons. It's our introduction into the world of geometry. This is a pretty straightforward IXL lesson. I'm not going to try to make this talk through too long. So you see my first question that comes up on the screen. It says, is this a polygon? Well, in order to answer that, we have to know what a polygon is. And there's three rules that we need to remember about polygons. First, that a polygon cannot have any curved edges. So right away, if I'm looking at this shape and I see all of this curved space here, I know that this circle can't be a polygon. There's also two other things that I have to think about. A polygon can't be open. So if I just drew those three lines, this space here where it's open would mean that it's not a polygon. And last but certainly not least, and I want you to think about the bow ties that sometimes I wear to school, if I were to draw a shape like this, kind of makes you look like it looks like a really bad bow tie, to be honest. But if I look here, do you see this spot where I'm highlighting on my screen where that crosses? That makes this not a polygon. So we're going to review those three rules real quick before we answer a couple of questions. The shape cannot have any curves, it cannot have any openings, and it cannot cross. If it passes all three of those tests, then yes, it is a polygon. With that being said, I'm going to erase my drawings that I have here. They were pretty bad anyway. And we're going to answer a couple of these IXL questions together. And just like in other talk through videos, I'm going to take some time to go through a couple of different levels just so you feel completely prepared. So is this a polygon? Hopefully you recognize that that is a no. Is this a polygon? Let's think about our rules. Are there any curves? No. Are there any things that cross over each other like a bow tie? Nope. And are there any openings? Nope. So yes, this is a polygon. All right, let's get to this one. This one's a little bit different because there's a special word up here and it says regular. Now, if you think about the word regular when it comes to polygons, it means something very, very special. It means that my shape has to have all of the same side lengths and all of the same side angles. That means that each one of these angles, this one, this one, this one, and all the way around have to be the same measurement, and all of the lengths of my sides have to be the same. Now, we don't have a ruler to measure with, so we just have to do our best estimating. But if you look at this shape, hopefully you can say to yourself, this shape looks like all the sides are the same length. So I'm going to say that yes, this is a regular polygon. All right, let's jump a couple of levels here. Right now my smart score is at 28. Let's take this up. Oh, this skill only has one level. That means these are all going to be pretty similar questions. Well, let's take a look at this shape. Is this a regular polygon? Well, it is a polygon because there's no curves, no openings, and nothing that crosses, but are all of these sides the same length? I want you to take a second to think about that. And remember, are all of the angles the same? Hopefully you realize that this one is a no. All right, well, I've answered 4 questions already, and I've gotten up to a smart score of 36. I want you guys to give the rest of this a shot. I hope this talk through video helps. Remember, you can email me or message me if you have any questions. See you guys later.